Hi, let's get started. First, let's remove the brake fluid cap under the hood. This will allow us to depress the brake calipers later. Next, let's take off the brake caliper by removing the top and bottom caliper nuts. Use a bucket or something of similar height to rest the caliper on. Don't let it swing by its hose, as this may cause damage and leaks in your brake system. Notice the small locks on the included guide shims. On the old shims you'll need to flatten them in order to remove the old brake pads. Now remove the old brake pads by sliding them out of the guide shims. You can gently pry them away from the disc if necessary. Now, let's remove the old guide shims from the bottom and top with the needle nose pliers. You may want to put down something to catch the drippings from this next step. Use the gum out to generously spray the disc front and back and also the areas where the guide shims go, to loosen old brake dust. Using a small stiff brush, brush the areas where the guide shims were, to remove old brake dust. Now, snap in the new guide shims that were included with the new brake pad kit. Now let's depress the brake caliper. Place one of the old brake pads over the piston side of the caliper. Attach the C-clamp as shown, and slowly tighten it against the brake pad, depressing the piston until it stops. Keep an eye on the brake fluid reservoir, as the fluid level will rise during this step. Next, apply the included brake pad lube to the outer edges of the new brake pads. This will allow them to operate smoothly along the guide shims and help prevent seizing. Insert the new outer brake pad by sliding it inward along the guide shims, until you feel it lock into place. Insert the new inner brake pad the same way, but making sure the silver low brake warning tab is facing upward. Now, reinstall the wire springs into the provided holes in the backs of the brake pads. These help the brakes to retract when you release the brake pedal. Now put the brake caliper back in place, making sure it is properly aligned. Then reinsert the caliper bolts, and tighten. Don't forget to replace the brake fluid cover under the hood, then pump the brake pedal firmly a few times to rebuild the pressure. Now you're all done. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.